Okay guys, so here's today's worksheet. It's pretty basic how you do it. It's going to be due at the beginning of class tomorrow to start with. So that means you have the rest of the period to get this done. If you finish that early, you can get going on your homework. But we're practicing today, plotting the points, then you're going to reflect it across the x-axis and you're going to reflect it across the y-axis. So the way you're going to do this is first, fill out this entire front page doing exactly what it tells you to. You're going to have to add some points here. But here it says, tell what point is located at the order pair. So I'm going to go 3, 7. So I'm going to go 3 over, 7 up. And I'm going to have Q located here. Okay, I'll do the same thing for 2. We go 3 over, 4 up. Here is E. Okay, do the same thing for 3. You get the idea. It's 9 over 2 up. That's where L is. Okay, so I'm going to identify all the points on this complete front side of my worksheet. Okay, all those, at this point I'm plotting, so I'm looking for these letters somewhere or wherever they're asking on the grid. Okay, the next thing though is you're going to go to the next page and it's going to say reflect across. It says reflect across the x-axis. Okay, so then you're going to start going, you're going to look at your first page again and you're going to take each point. So we'll start with Q, which was at 3, 7, I believe. 3, 7 and 3, 4. Okay, Q and E. So we're going to go 3. This will be my Q dot and it's at 3, 7. And then I have a dot of E, which was at 3 over 4 up. Okay, notice how I'm putting my coordinate where they're at on this graph, because that's what I expect you to do as well, because what we're doing is you're going to reflect each point downward across the x-axis. So we're going to take them and we're going to flip them down to this quadrant. Okay, so here we're going to go Q prime is going to be at 3. This is my Q prime and it's at 3, negative 7. This is going to be my E prime is at which is at 3, negative, oops, which is going to be at okay, 3, negative 4. Now you can just know that since I'm going across the x value, that the x is going to be the same and my y value is going to be the opposite, or you can show too, if it's easier for you, counting to the line of symmetry, which is my x-axis. It's the one that I circled for you guys, just to remind you on your sheet. Then I'd come 7 off. Okay? So you're going to reflect all 25 points across the x-axis. Then you're going to go to that back page and you're going to graph all 25 points up again in this quadrant and then reflect it across the y-axis. And that's what you're doing, and you're writing the coordinate pairs each time you reflect it down. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them for you tomorrow, or your guest teacher, I'm sure, will do a wonderful job answering the questions as well. This is due at the beginning of class tomorrow. If you get done early, you may turn it in today and then begin working on your homework. Thank you.